Following question states that how many different substitution products are possible in principle when a mixture of bromine and ethane is allowed to react. So this over here is your ethane molecule, and now a different amount of bromines are going to substitute these hydrogens, and I'm going to figure out how many different possible products would be possible. So you can have one bromine substituting one of the hydrogens. So the product that would be possible if one bromine gets substituted at any single position or replaces any of the hydrogen. So this would be the product that would be formed. One of the bromine is going to get substituted. Now a single product would be possible. There would be no isomers because no matter which hydrogen I substitute, I'm still going to get one bromo ethane. Similarly, I can get another product where two bromines might substitute any of the hydrogens over here, two of the hydrogens in this molecule. So these would be the two possible products that could be formed if two bromines get substituted. They might either get substituted on the same carbon atom, or one bromine would be on one carbon atom and the other bromine would be on the other carbon atom. So there would be two possible isomers having two bromines substituted in ethane, when you substitute two bromines in ethane. So I'm going to, in this way, I'm going to now try and substitute 3 bromines, then 4 bromines, then 5 bromines, and then 6 bromines, and I'm going to draw all the products that are possible. So these two are going to be produced when 3 bromines get substituted. They might get substituted on the same carbon atom, or 2 bromines would be on one carbon atom and one bromine would be on the other carbon atom. So two isomers would be possible in this scenario. This is my scenario when 4 bromines get substituted in ethane. So 3 bromines on one carbon atom, 1 bromine on the other carbon atom, or it might be that 2 bromines get substituted on one carbon atom and 2 bromines would be substituted on the other carbon atom. So 2 different possible products when 4 bromines substitute the hydrogens in ethane. With 5 bromines substituting ethane, you're only going to get one product, which is that 3 bromines would be on one carbon atoms, 2 bromine would be on the other carbon atoms. So there's only one possible isomer that could be produced. And moving to the last one would be when 6 bromines substitute an ethane molecule. So in this scenario as well, there's only one product possible, that all 6 positions would be occupied by bromine. So I've drawn all the scenarios, starting from 1 bromine substitution to 2 bromines. So if I start counting, that's 1. Then I have another one second, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it's 7, 8, and the last one is 9. So a total of 9 different isomers would be possible, where either 1 bromine might substitute the hydrogens, or 2 bromines, or 3 bromines, until all the ethane hydrogens get substituted by bromine. So total 9 different isomers would be possible, and this would be your answer for this question.